Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making a quick sugar lemon paste. Combine sugar, freshly squeezed lemon, and warm water in a bowl until syrupy. You will heat slightly so sugar dissolves. This creates a mild natural adhesive that grips hairs. Apply to clean, damp hands in the hair growth direction. Press a fabric strip or cotton firmly over it. You do this because the sugar bonds and removes hair from the root, reducing regrowth compared to surface shaving. Once the strip is set, you hold the skin taut near the knuckles, and in one quick motion, peel the strip back against hair growth. This minimizes pain and breaks fewer hairs. You repeat on adjacent sections, reapplying a thin layer rather than piling it on, because thinner layers adhere better and remove hairs cleanly. Make sure to cleanse residue with warm water. Sugar is water-soluble, so you avoid sticky buildup and skin irritation during repeated passes. After you finish the last section, rinse your hands with cool water and gently pat dry. Then apply aloe vera gel or a light oil to restore moisture and reduce redness. You should avoid sun and harsh exfoliants for 24 hours because skin is more sensitive post-removal. If a patch becomes red, itchy, or blistered, stop immediately. Apply a cold compress and consider 1% hydrocortisone for inflammation, and seek medical advice if it worsens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.